Yeah, good morning, everyone. Today is my first Python program, and program name is Interchange first and last elements in the list. Interchange the first and last. Otherwise, we can write 100 Python coding challenge. 100 Python programs coding challenge. What is my first Python program? Interchange first and last elements in the list. Okay, so I will take the list, sample list. Is right. 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. So these are list of elements. So I want to print. I am declaring one function swap of list one. So this is the function I am declaring. So this is the function I am declaring. In this function, I want to swap the first element in the last position, last element in the first position. So the function name is swap. Df swap. Name of the list, some input parameter I am expecting list, some new list name, colon. Then size I am trying to find len function. New list is the size will calculate the total number of elements in the list. So this is the list I am passing like 4 elements in this one. After this, I am declaring one temp variable. I am taking like a first element here. First element I am taking here in this list. New list of 0 assigning to the new list of size minus 1. Last element I am assigning to the first position. Again, new list of size minus 1. Size minus 1. Last position I am assigning to the first element. That is the way we can able to swap. Let me execute. For executing this, we want to press Control Enter. Then we have to return statement. There is a return statement. Return new list. Control Enter. So see, what is the existing list is that 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, I will display one more thing. Existing list, this is one. And after swapping, is first position going to the last position, last element goes to the first position. This is the way we can able to swap the first element, last element in the list using Python. Thank you.